Today, I'm going to show you how to play the GiiKER Super Decoder. I honestly think this is one of the clearest explanations you'll find online. If you still don't understand the game after watching this, then it may not be the right toy for you. The game has two main difficulty modes, beginner and advanced. Right now, I'm playing level 50 in beginner mode. The lights show which colors can appear in the code. Because I'm still at a relatively early level, only 6 colors are available. The goal is to choose the correct colors and place them in the correct order. Luckily, the game gives you clues. A white light means the code contains those two colors, but they are in the wrong positions. A black light means neither color appears in the code, so we can rule them out. I'll keep blue, but move it to another position, then I'll try green here, lime green here, and pink over here. When I'm ready, I press and hold the orange button to check my answer. Now the game gives me a new clue. 2 colors are already correct. The 2 white lights tell me the other 2 colors are correct as well, but their positions are reversed, so I only need to swap them. And yes, that's the answer. I've cleared the level and the game automatically moves on to the next one. As you can see, the next level gives me a wider range of possible colors, so it becomes more difficult. Beginner mode is better for younger children and is a fun way to develop logical thinking. Advanced mode gives you much less obvious clues, which makes the reasoning harder. For example, 1 green dot means that one of these 4 colors is correct, but the game doesn't tell you which one. 3 white dots mean that 3 of the 4 colors are correct, but they are all in the wrong positions. You have to compare every clue and eliminate the possibilities one by one. You only get 6 attempts to crack the final code. In this round, I didn't solve it until my second to last attempt. The whole process feels a lot like defusing a bomb, so it's surprisingly tense and exciting. And this is only level 29. The higher you go, the harder the puzzles become. So this definitely isn't just a children's toy. Adults can get completely absorbed in it too. There's also a fun 2-player mode. One person creates the secret code and sets a time limit, while the other person tries to solve it before time runs out. The countdown makes the game even more intense. My son and my wife often play this mode together, and it's a great activity for parents and children. I also think it's suitable for older people because it really exercises the brain. It's fun, challenging, and genuinely suitable for almost every age group.